Just yesterday in Tirupati, Tirumala, I was seeing a few Andhra villages were doing kirtan. Just few minutes only they crossed. I saw one team dancing, another one team when we were going for darshan crossing us. Unique combination, a guy with a flute and 10 people with the cymbals and different loud instruments, but all the loud instruments were not able to take over the sound of the flute. That was a very rare combination. So usually the mild instruments like a flute or veena, it will get drowned in the wild instruments like tara tappate and all these udal. The skinned instruments, the wild instruments, their music will be so loud, the mild instruments like a flute, veena will be lost. But yesterday I saw the unique combination. The flute was so beautifully high and all the other instruments were just supporting. It was not drowned at all. So we have amazing village combinations. Indian village combinations. We can use everything from Indian village combinations to Western fusions to enrich the world with Nama Sankirtana. And I wanted this also to be part of our Gurukuls, Nityananda Bala Vidyalaya. From the context, understand? I am clearly explaining the context. Context need to be understood completely. I am explaining the context now. Any music, from which plane it comes out, it will take you to that plane. If a singer is screaming from lust, it will raise you to that space of lust or push you to the space of lust. If the singer is screaming from fear, it will take you to that adrenaline release, fear kick. If a singer is singing from love, it will take you to the space of love. I wanted all of you to sing from the space of Ananda Gandha, Advaita, so that you and everyone who hear, the whole group, experiences Advaita. Kirtan, to experience Advaita. Kirtan, to radiate completion. From this context, the bhajans and kirtans should become part of our Sangha. All Gurukuls, all ashrams, all temples, Kirtan should become part of our lifestyle. Kirtanam should become part of our lifestyle. Even if you are sitting, your whole body should be dancing. Your whole body should be involved in that sound. Kirtan never happens by Namah Shiva. No. It never happens in that way. It should move the whole body, whole mind, whole being. Jnana Sambandar's instruction is Adi Padi Annamalai Kaithoda. He says, sing and dance. Every day if you don't get time to dance, at least your whole body should, at least in the sitting posture, your body should be alive with that mantra, with that sound, with that words. You may not be standing, you may be sitting, but even in sitting, the body should be dancing along with singing. Singing with your whole voice. Body should be allowed to move with the whole voice, sound. Kala Bhairava is Lord of Dance. Mahadeva is Lord of Dance. Make Kirtan as your lifestyle. Make Kirtan as your lifestyle. I bless you all. Let you all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching and causing eternal bliss. Nityananda. Thank you.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.